It's nice to have this kind of voltmeter on our electronic projects and battery packs, but this is draining our battery because it will have an output of the LED. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can add a switch so that we don't need to turn on the LED on the voltmeter always. This will reduce the discharge time of the batteries, making it more efficient. So let's build some today. Now our button is fixed securely on the side. I hope you find this video helpful and interesting. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.